Hi everyone. So as promised, we'll show you all the shopping that I did. So there are quite a few number of bags that we got. So I'll start with this one because it's already cured. So this is like an Indian Ajrak cotton tote bag, as you can see. So this is a perfect size for when I'm taking it with some Indian wear like sari or something like that. That's why I got it. It has a nice zipper, and under me the material is canvas, so it's lined well. So this is the first bag that I got. The second one also quite similar to this one. It's like a, again thoda crumpled but jhola. Again, as you can see, Ajrak. Akshay says it almost looks the same, but it doesn't, because this is like very floopy, floppy, and पूरे में ऐसे as you can see the quilting detail जो होता है वो किया हुआ है. So very beautiful and perfect again with like zip and everything to take on the go. So this is the second bag. So the third one comes in this cute little kapde ka
Dust bag.
हाँ, dust bag potli. And इसमें there are two bags. Actually this is something which was requested by one of my teammates in office. So this is like these are very popular actually these days, the quilted bags, but in the smaller size. Usually you get it in the bigger size, but this is quite chota, as you can see, and it's in this beautiful blue print. And the best part is it comes with a zip. Usually these bags don't come with zip, and under me the lining is also very pretty. So this is the bag that I got.
I have a question. Why do women get so excited about zippers?
Because I think then, you know, I think my colleague friend in office is going to use it to like carry tiffins and all. So वो खुलता नहीं, everything is inside. So that's a good idea. And I got the same bag in this color. So this is again a beautiful bag, very similar. इसी का now I also got the bigger version, which I'll show you. Coming to the prices, I think it's the best time to tell you guys. These were for 400 each, and the Indian one, this and the other one was for 600 each. So not very expensive.
So that
for
one was also 600.
yeah, the Ajrak ones were for 600 each. So this one was for 600 as well. And then I got this very cute potli. Actually, I don't know where I'm going to use it, but the theme is all the Indian wear, as you see. So this is the potli. You can hold it like this, and it's just a cute addition to.
Is that a leather strap?
That is a leather strap actually.
Wow.
So, and you can see the print again, completely kantha stitch work. So you can see the theme. Like I really liked all these bags. So this is something I think I will end up giving this to my mother, because with Indian you can just like carry it during like Durga Puja or something like that. Now coming to other bags. So you saw the quilted bags that I took, उसी के बड़े sizes.
पर अपने पास इतना सामान है जिसके लिए इतना बैग्स लगेगा?
Akshay, no. So this is the first one. As I told you, this is the bigger size, as you can see. So again, such a beautiful print, and the inside, it doesn't have a zip, but the inside is again very pretty. So you can see like the comparison of this versus this, right? Like this is so much smaller and compact. So you can see how cute it looks. So this is the first one, and इसी से काफ़ी similar. I got two more. So, but I am looking at this patchwork quilted bag, like tote sort of a thing, for the first time. So as you can see, this is like a beautiful patchwork and very similar to this, just in a darker color is this. So you can see again, looks very nice. So this is what it looks. And then I think I got too many bags, but these are like two bags that one person there was just selling, and I thought, let me just get these. These I don't think I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna gift them to people. But इसमें double sided है और छोटा सा है, प्यारा सा है, तो again to like carry small things.
Is it an invertible bag? Like
Yes, it is
Oh.
completely.
Why don't you invert it and show one?
Yes. So both sides, and both are like really pretty. So, and you can see the quilting. So very pretty. So these I got for 300 each. So nice size, and ऐसे सब्जी वब्जी लाने के लिए. And this is the last one. Very similar again, invertible. And this he gave me for like 200 rupees because there is a stain that is there. This is basically उसने जहाँ पे hang किया हुआ था वहाँ पे थोड़ा रस था, पर ये पीछे है. And I thought I love the color. It's a very beautiful blue color. And इसका जो पीछे का है blue stripe is also very pretty. So I thought ले लेते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं यूज़ हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं तो सब्ज़ी वगैरह लाने के लिए. So we got all these from the Palolem market, and they have quite a number of shops there which also sell jewelry, also sell footwear and things like that. But most of those we get in Mumbai. So bags are something that I really liked, and I needed a few because I carry like 20 bags for office. So one will have like tiffin and things like that, one will have umbrella, and also it's a good thing to get. So with that, we have come to the end of this little haul that I did. All the bags that I got were super reasonable, and I'm very happy with them. So now we are going to go to the pool, I think. Here is Akshay enjoying the view.
Hello.
So yeah.
So if you like this shopping haul vlog and have not watched our Goa vlog, head over right now to watch it, because Goa in monsoons is a completely different vibe, which is why we keep going to Goa in monsoons. There's a lot of stuff in it, many restaurants, many experiences, but to know more, head over to our Goa vlog. And we'll see you next week back with our Swiss vlogs. Until then,
Toodles!